If you speak English and you are wondering how to understand most of my videos in Spanish, no worries, take it easy, there is always a solution. Just go to the right side, at the bottom you will see an icon with a double C, just click on it, and then you just need to click on the icon on the right side, that is settings, click on subtitles, after that click on auto translate, and finally you just need to choose your favorite language. In this case we are going to choose English. And it's all set. We are ready to share this adventure. If you are watching my video from your mobile phone, just tap on the video and then tap on the settings icon, the first one from the right to the left. Then you need to select captions and then you just need to choose auto translate, and after that just tap on English. Wait a minute, you are missing something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You will find the icon under the title of any of my videos of my channel. Just click on it and then click on the bell on the right side and make sure you get all notifications of my channel. It's totally free and is the only way this project can grow. And now you are ready to travel with Juan Mundo.